Hey guys, Keyword Tester Mega Man 19 here. Today's 25-day Christmas, day 13. Even though it's day 14, but still, I'm sorry I'm being late about that again. So, today it's some custom. It's Corner Wheelisch. Next gen Web Bulldozer Racer number 88. Next review about him. I'm using his old Jonas Covers tiny version. The dark blue, yellow, red, and white. His red, I'm painting him Red Bulldozer to Red Bulldozer. Red Bulldozer is yellow just like his real life in Red Bull. His eyes are blue, number 88, and painted red. Yeah, the side is Red Bulldozer 88. And painting him white on the back. The back, 88 Red Bulldozer. Rookie Stray since he's joined Preston Cut Series in AKA Cut Series number in 2026. 88 Red Bulldozer and painted and sported like Rich Mason, Nick Shit, and Chris Roman. And painted him silver rain and yellow trend. Everything crazy, yep. And this one is similar to based on real life corner search. So that's on trend Friday Christmas Day 13. Please like and subscribe in the video. See you in day 14.